3 foot building with impressive. Wow.
I like the entrance. I like
All right.
the
Warehouse assembly room 1. I'm a big YouTube guru, so
Oh, okay.
kind of help build the business. All right, we can head out and let this gentleman go home. Wow, that's a heck of a compressor. Was any tag or spec sheet on that at all? You got a front one? Oh, we can put that back in. That's got to be. I know it's a minimum 20 horse.
Yeah, we barely have time. No,
Honey, stop.
I see it.
Yeah, well.
It's like a bungee fit.
Yeah.
We got everybody out of that point.
We're close. Warehouse assembly room 2. I can't believe that garage door would be perfect and they built a bathroom. That whole bathroom's in front of it. So we lost that door. How about that for power? Mm-hmm. I bet your electric bill might be slightly less than theirs. Yeah, probably scare people away just seeing how much they had there. I like the fact we got water, we got air everywhere, lights. There's some retractable reels up top there. That's cool. And another one. Assembly room, fabrication room 3. I like the idea that everything. I love the fact that it's all brick and block. Warehouse and assembly room 3, receiving room there. I'm impressed. We're gonna have fun fixing this place up. I can't wait. Huh? No, it's beautiful. The bones on this building are insane.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
They're hardwired telephone, which could be okay. We're never gonna get internet here.
Why not?
I mean, because even at 1 gig only goes 100 feet. We'll have to do hardwire, but no, we're gonna get it. But wow, there's another. Oh, can't imagine how many people worked here.
A lot.
What? Just seeping through the wall. I thought somebody just like.
Put some goop behind there. Oh, they probably did it to
no,
so they wouldn't knock off the picture frames.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Ah, pretty cool.